Looking to showcase WooCommerce product with flexible layout and rich features on your WordPress site? In this video, we're diving into the product listing block from Nextblocks. Perfect for creating stylish grids, Masonry, metro displays, or carousel sliders that spotlight your products beautifully. Whether you are filtering by category or tags, including certain products or excluding products, want to add pagination, I'll guide you through setting it up and customizing. So let's dive in. Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg block editor is active on your site. Also make sure both the Nextblocks Free and Pro plugin are installed and activated on your site. Step 1. Install both the Nextblocks Free and Pro plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add New. Then in the search bar, search for Nextblocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Now to install the Nextblocks Pro plugin, go to Nextblock, click on Dashboard. Then from here, go to Upgrade Now. Here we'll see the benefits of upgrading to the Pro plan. Again, click on the Upgrade Now button. Here, choose the plan that fits your need. Once you buy the plugin, you will receive a zip folder with an activation code. Then come back to the site, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugins, go to Upload Plugins, and here select the zip file. Click on Install Now, then click on Activate Plugin. Now to activate the license, go to Nextblocks, click on Activate Pro, and here you add the license key and click on Activate button. That's it. You have successfully activated the Nextblocks Pro plugin. Step 2. Activate the product listing block. To do that, go to Nextblocks, then Blocks, and search for product listing. This is the block. Enable it and click on Save Settings. Let's see the settings of product listing block from Nextblocks. Before we begin, make sure to add some product in a WooCommerce store. Otherwise, you won't see any results over here. With that being said, now let's see the settings. From the type, you have to select where you want to add the product listing. You can add in a normal page, you can add in a product archive template, or you can add in single product page. We'll see each option one by one. Let's see the normal first. From the style section, you can select from these predefined styles. Each will add unique style to your product listing. Let's see the styles. Style 1. This is style 1. Style 2. Obviously, we need to adjust the button text color. Style 3. Let's stick with style 1. And then from the layout, you can create a grid listing. You can create a Masonry layout. You can create a metro layout. You can even create a carousel. We'll see each one by one. Let's see the grid first. Then from the query tab, you can select the product category from which you want to show the products over here. You can also select product tags. You can add multiple categories and multiple tags. If you select a category and a tag, a product must meet both the condition to be displayed over here. Then from the include products section, you can add product by product ID. Similarly, you can exclude product by product ID. Then from the maximum post display section, you can set how many products you want to display. From the offset post, you can exclude product from the beginning. Let's set 1. It will remove the first product. Then from the order by dropdown, you can order product by author name, title, date, modified date, or you can use random to display product in random order on every page load. Then from the order section, you can order the products in descending and ascending order based on the selected order type. Then from the display product dropdown, you can show all product. You can show only recent products. You can only show the products which are on sale. You can show product which are top rated. You can show product which are selling best. You can show in stock product. You can show out of stock product as well. Let's keep it to all for now. Then from the columns manager, you can set the number of columns you want to show in a row. Then from the columns gap or space, you can adjust the spacing between the columns. Then from the filters tab, you can add a category wise filter. To do that, enable the category wise filter toggle. This will add a filter over here. You can filter product by category or tag. Let's continue with category. The filters will be added based on the category you have set on your products. Then from the all filter toggle, you can add a all button which will allow you to show all the products. You can change the text of that button. You can select from different predefined styles for a filter. You can also change the hover style. Then from the alignment, you can align the filters. Now once you've set the filters, user can click on the buttons to see the products of that specific category. Now let's disable the filter for now. In the extra options tab, you will find some additional options. From the title tag, you can adjust the title tag of the product title. From the variable product price range toggle, you can show the variable pricing of a product if you have any variable price set on your product. From the on hover image change toggle, you can show different image on mouse hover if you have multiple image in your product. From the display category toggle, you can show category over here. Then from the display rating toggle, you can show ratings. If your products have any rating, you can show over here. Then from the card button display toggle, you can show or hide the add to cart button. Once enabled, you can adjust the button text. If you have variable pricing option, then you can change the select button text as well. From the display image size toggle, you can select different image sizes from here. Then from the load more options drop down, you can add pagination to your product listing. From the pagination type, you can select standard. This will open the next page in a different page. And if you select Ajax page, then the second page will open on the same page without page refresh. Then you can also add a load more button. This will add a load more button, clicking on which more product will load. From the post view on click on scroll section, you can set the number of product you want to load by clicking this button. From the button text section, you can change the text of this button. When the products are loading, you can change the loading text. When all the products are loaded, you can change the button text as well. You can also add a lazy loading. This will add infinite scrolling to your product listing. Once you reach the end of the product, it will load more products. From here, you can set how many products you want to load at once. And once all the products are loaded, you can show a text that you can edit from here. Now let's see the Masonry layout. You will find same options as we saw in the grid layout. Now let's see the metro layout. This is how the metro layout would look. Of course, we need to adjust the styling a bit. We'll find same options as we saw in the grid layout, except for the column manager. Here you can select the number of columns you want in a row. Then from the select style section, you can select predefined style for the metro layout, or you can add a custom layout as well. To do that, you have to add values in width is to height ratio to show an item, to set the width and height of an item. You can use this pipe separator to add multiple values to target multiple items. Let's add the value over here. This is how it looks. Here we have set the value for 3 items, and this value will automatically repeat on the rest of the items. You can adjust the value, and let's stick with the grid layout for now. Now let's see the carousel option. This will create a carousel layout for your product listing. You find same options as we saw in the grid layout. For the carousel, you will not find the filter option. Now let's see the archive option. For this, you have to create a product archive template. You can use the free theme builder from Nexta extension to create this product archive template. Once you have created the product archive template, add this product listing block there and select archive. Then select the appropriate style and layout. Now, once you go to a category or a tag archive template, you will see this beautiful layout that we have set over here. Now let's see the single option. For this, you have to create a single product template. Again, you can use the Nexta extension theme builder to create this single product template. Once you've created the template, add the product listing block. With this block, you can show related product based on category, based on tags, or you can select both. So it will show related product based on category and tags, both. Then you can select the appropriate style and layout. Now, once you go to your single product page, you will see related product in your set style. Let's get back to normal for now. In the style tab, you will find all the styling options required to customize this block. From the title tab, you can adjust the product title typography. You can even use global typography. You can adjust the title color for normal and hover states. If you have enabled the rating toggle, then we'll see this rating tab. From here, you can adjust the margin. You can adjust the rating color. From the price tab, you can adjust the margin. You can adjust the price typography. You can adjust the price color for normal and hover states. From the previous price section, you can adjust the previous price typography. you can adjust the previous price, color for normal and overstates. From the badge style tab, you can show badge on the products by enabling the display badge toggle. From the out of stock status toggle, you can style the out of stock badge. You can adjust the text, you can adjust the typography, you can adjust the text color, background color, box shadow. From the on sale style toggle, you can style the sale badges. You can adjust the typography, text color, background color, box shadow. Let's disable the display badge for now. From the content background tab, you can adjust the styling of this content area. You can adjust the content alignment. You can adjust padding. You can adjust border. You can adjust background, box shadow for normal and overstates. Then from the product image tab, you can adjust the product image style. You can adjust background, box shadow for normal and overstates. You can adjust the border radius. Then from the add to cart button tab, you can adjust the add to cart button style. You can adjust padding, you can adjust typography, you can adjust text color, icon color, background, border radius, box shadow for normal and overstates. From the box loop background style tab, you can adjust the styling of each item in the list. You can adjust the padding, border radius, you can adjust background, box shadow for normal and overstates. Now if you have enabled the category wise filter toggle, you will see this filter category. From here, you can adjust the filter typography, padding, margin. You can adjust the filter category color, background, border radius, box shadow, count background, category count color, count box shadow for normal and overstates. Based on the selected load more option, you will see the relevant styling option over here. We have selected lazy load. You'll see styling option for the lazy load. You can adjust the typography. You can adjust the text color. You can adjust the loading spinner size, loading spinner border size, spinner color. If you select pagination, you'll see pagination related styling option. From here, you can adjust pagination typography, pagination text color, pagination text hover color. Similarly, for load more option, you'll find load more button styling option. From here, you can adjust the button typography. You can adjust the color, background, border radius for normal and overstates. You can also adjust the text typography and text color. From the post not found options tab, you can style the message that will be displayed if no products are found. You can adjust the padding, you can adjust typography, color, background, border radius, box shadow. And if you have selected the carousel layout, you will find the carousel related styling option. From here, you can adjust the carousel slider mode. You can adjust the speed. You can select active slide. From the next previous section, you can move one column or you can move all visible columns. You can adjust the column gap. You can make it draggable. You can make it loop infinitely. You can pause it on hover. You can autoplay the carousel. From the show dots toggle, you can show dots navigation over here. You can add different predefined styles. You can adjust border color. You can adjust above spacing. From on hover dots toggle, you can show the dots on mouse hover. Then from the show arrows toggle, you can add arrow navigation. You can select from different predefined styles. You can adjust the background color, icon color, hover background color, hover icon color. Outer arrows toggle, you can place the arrows outside the carousel. From on hover arrows toggle, you can show the arrows on mouse hover only. From the center mode toggle, you can style the center slide. You can add center padding. You can add different effects for the center slide. You can also add opacity for the normal slide to differentiate the center slide and other slides. From the trim spaces, you can trim some spaces. From the wheel navigation toggle, you can change the slide with your mouse wheel. From the wait for transition toggle, you can change the slide only once the transition is over. Then from the keyboard navigation toggle, you can change the slide with your keyboard arrows. Then from the auto scroll toggle, you can automatically scroll the slider. You can adjust the speed from here as well. In advanced, you will find some additional styling options to style the container of this block, which we have covered in a separate video. So that's it for the product listing block. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.